Instagram has added a new feature that lets you restore posts, reels and IGTV videos that you've recently deleted. In this video I'll be showing you how to restore recently deleted Instagram posts. Now let's get started. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Then tap Account. Scroll down and select Recently Deleted. Then tap the post you'd like to bring back to your page. Tap the menu icon. Then select Restore. To confirm, tap Restore. After that, your post will be back on your Instagram page as it was before you deleted it. Posts will be available for restoration for 30 days after you delete them. That's all it takes to restore recently deleted Instagram posts. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.